afternoon to everyone and welcome to our group presentation. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Jenny Lee and my matrix number is 206296. Today, my partner and I would like to walk you through the topic of pollution and which factor cause pollution. Before we start our presentation today, let us watch the video.
Almost 10,000 Londoners each year die prematurely.
It's a silent killer.
Let's talk about how we can make it a little bit better.
After watching this video, we know that the air pollution is the killer. However, do you know that our living environment is not only caused by air pollution, but also caused by other pollution, such as water pollution, soil pollution, and etc. Everyone must have known about pollution, but what is pollution exactly? The word pollution is familiar to us as we live in much polluted environment where there are a lot of hues and cries regarding pollution. Let me explain on this matter further. Pollution is a contamination of a substrate when harmful and foreign substances are added to it. This leads to poisoning of the medium, making it unfit to be used. Pollution occurs in the media. In this aspect, we will consider the pollution of the environment. This is a very important matter as it affects all aspects of life, not just of humans, but plants, animals, and above all reveals the forbearing and sensitive nature of our planet, Earth. How is pollution caused? Let us turn our attention to the factors which cause pollution. Based on our findings, industrialization is one of the factors which contribute to pollution. This is because most industries rely on large quantity of water to operate their works, and this affects the quality of the life of people living in the surrounding area. This is because when industry involved in series of processes, the water come into contact with heavy metals, harmful chemicals, radioactive waste, and even organic sludge. When industry discharge this toxic chemical into the water sources, the pollutant will be absorbed into the water, resulting in a decrease in water quality. I would like to expand more on my points about industrialization. Industrial pollution increases global warming, which brings effect to the environment. Pollutants and greenhouse gases are being released by industry into the air, causing an increase in global warming. This is because the greenhouse gases will directly increase the heat on the planet's surface and lower the atmosphere. It even creates a hole in the ozone layer, resulting in global warming. That is all from me. I will now pass the presentation over to the next presenter, Ling.
Hi everyone, my name is Khoo LING. My matrix number is 207035. Now, let me continue to present the main point 2. The main point 2 is transportation. Transportation also is a factor that can cause pollution. Let us discuss and debate over it. Why transportation causes pollution? This is because transportation run on fuels will release significant amount of gases into the atmosphere. When vehicles run, it will burn fossil fuels like gasoline gathering and diesels release carbon dioxide and greenhouse gas into the atmosphere, which are the main gas responsible for increasing air pollution. Greenhouse gases will prevent some of their heat from leaving the atmosphere. Therefore, the buildup of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases like methane, nitrous oxide, and hydrofluorocarbons is causing the Earth's atmosphere to warm, resulting in change to the climate we are already starting to see today. The next supporting point is transportation also brings impact on hydrological conditions and water quality. Vehicles such as ships will have oil spill when the engine fails, important maintenance work, and accidents occur, which oil could leak and mix with the oceanic water. This oil contains dangerous levels of sulfur and heavy metals. When oil mixing with oceanic water will cause serious marine pollution. Oil cannot dissolve in water and form a discharge in the water. This suffocates fish, get caught in the filter of marine birds, stopping them from flying, and block life from photosynthetic aquatic plants. That's all from my main point 2. Let's go to the conclusion part. In conclusion, it is proven that industrialization and transportation factors can cause pollution. Let me recap the important points in our presentation just now, which are cause pollution. Industrialization is a factor can cause pollution because industry rely on large quantity of water for their work. An industry will release smoke and greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The next factor is transportation, cause pollution because vehicles will release carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. And oil spill will cause serious marine pollution. The main reason behind pollution is basically the overconsumptive and nature of man. So, we need to take action to reduce environmental pollution, or else we will regret in future as it will be karma for what we have done to our nature. Well, that's all from me. Thank you letting your ear to listen our presentation. Thank you.